In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play the Furnace Evo Draft Challenge here in Clash Royale. This is a brand new game mode that Clash Royale just introduced to celebrate the launch of the Furnace Evolution and the start of the brand new season, and here's exactly how you can play it. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But first things first, in order to go ahead and play the Furnace Evo Draft mode, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is load into Clash Royale, and at the very bottom of the home screen there's going to be this little section that has a trophy on it. Simply go ahead and select that trophy and it's going to pull up all of the game modes, and as you can see, the third option on here right now is the Furnace Evo Draft. Simply go ahead and select it just like so and then hit battle, and what it's going to do is going to load you into a game just like so, where it's essentially just going to be the normal draft plus the Furnace Evo options. It's pretty cool how it works. I absolutely love it. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But of course, make sure you're liking this video and subscribing to the channel with all notifications on for more Clash Royale videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.